Joining me on my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But I had the light on, but it was way too bright for this. But I want to show you a few things that I did with the empty candle containers. And as you can see, the first one, I'm so happy about this candle. I just bought this today. It says it burns for 110 hours, so we're going to see. I burn a lot of candles. Okay, so the first thing that I did a video on this. I was able to take the coffee lid from this candle back here, and I was able to make this, turn this into a coaster. So that's one thing that you can do. And then wherever you walk, you'll instantly have a coaster on the end, and then you can just set it down. A second thing I did, this is probably actually the first thing I did, was I cleaned out the excess candle waste, and I put boiling hot water in the bottom of the candle, once it burns down. And then I put boiling hot water in there. I cleaned it out. I went back over it with vinegar and a paper towel, and I wiped it all out, and I was able to use this to store my makeup brushes. Another thing I did, same process, I was able to use the empty candle container to make a pencil holder, for my pens and things like that. And then last but not least, today, I was able to turn one of them into a candy dish, okay? What I did was I turned it around because I liked the frosted berry. It was a frosted berry candle. And just in case I want to repurpose it, I'm going to, just leave that on there. I'm not going to wash it off or anything. So I just turned it around and used it as a candy dish. Filled it with these from Amazon, the butter mints. These are like my favorites. But yeah, these are just 4 quick things that you can do. All coming from just using leftover candle containers. Before I was throwing them out, or I really didn't know what to do. And I have plenty of these around the house, like different sizes. So once I figure out what to do with the smaller ones, those in my mind would be good for like maybe safety pins or something, little things that we always need that we never know where they're at. Okay, well, hey, I hope this was helpful to someone. Thank you for joining me today, and like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.